Hey guys, it's Weather Fanatic 99 once again, reporting your winter storm update. I just wanted to update you because I said I would, so I'm going to right now. So, let's see what it is currently. It's from before I did an update. Hold on a second. Alright, this is what it is now. Well, looks like there's a little bit of a break here. Yeah, a little bit of a break. See, I knew it. This right here, from the west, I knew it. I knew it was going to go down like that. I knew it was going to join together like that. And now, it's moving like this. So, Chicago, you are not completely done with snow. I hate to tell you. You're not done. You're just not done yet. So, let's see what else happened. Okay, so yeah, it seems like it's moving further south and it's building up more moisture. So our jet stream, let's see our jet stream here. Okay, it kind of changed a little bit. But here's how it is moving. It's moving like that for the most part. So excuse me. So the only thing I don't like about this phone is, yeah, I don't like that. Okay. Back to what I was saying. Let's go back to our radar here and just play it. But yeah, we are not done with snow, unfortunately. This is moving further south now because of the jet stream. The jet stream is moving slightly southeast, so now that's how the storm is moving. So and the moisture is getting picked up, and the storm is widening and moving south. So it's moving towards us. We're gonna have a little bit of a period of no snow for maybe about an hour and a half, and then it's gonna snow again probably into tomorrow and maybe into tomorrow afternoon. So be careful, be safe, and that was your update. And I want to thank you for watching. Alright.